So the identity matrix takes after what I call the identity number. Saka panapa takutarisa the one of matrices. Kuti one yakamira sei kuma matrices. Inenge yakadai so, inonyorwa so 1 0 1 0 like that. Saka zvatabva kuita manje tatarisa the zero matrix. Kureva kuti tachida kuona kuti kokuma 2 by 2 matrices zero anonyorwa sei. Tikaona kuti anenge ari 0 0 0 0. Takuda kutarisa the identity matrix. Yataona kuti inonyorwa as 1 0 0 1. But tiri pano, of course we should first consider what happens kuma ordinary numbers. Toda kuona the same behavior inotorwa here kana takuma matrices. 2 by 2 matrices by the way. So kuma ordinary numbers, if we take a number x, for example, let me use a real number. Tikatora 3, tikati times 1. Tinowana 3. 1 inoishi ndo yatiri kuti an identity number. It's an identity number and this is post multiplication. And post because it will multiply 1 after 3. If we do the same thing panapa, tikati 1 times 3, we are still going to get 3. 1 inoi, it's the identity number, and panapa takutila ne pre-multiplication like that. So that's pre-multiplication. But tripano nemakai want to sheet it's an identity number. So the identity of a number, take for example 3. Identity at 3 into 3. And saka tika multiply a number with an identity number, we retain that number. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Kureva kuti number yoyo aina effect pa identity ya 3. Deno tanga tati 3 times 2 taiwana 6. Kureva kuti tachinja the identity of 3 from 3 to a 6. We have doubled the value, the identity. But if we multiply a number with an identity number, we are going to get that number. Saka panapa we have seen with 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Post multiplication. Doko not 1 times 3 is also equal to 3. Pre-multiplication. So let us see the implications of this. Kana trikuma 2 by 2 matrices. So if we are kuma 2 by 2 matrices, what happens? Let us say we have this matrix A, B, C, D, like that. So that is the matrix we have. Let us multiply this matrix with an identity matrix, which is 1 0 1 0, like that, in this particular order. Order iya yamfangu kuifiringa. Kureva kuti mungati 0 1 0 1 kana kuti 0 0 1 1. No, the identity it's 1 0 0 1. We are not here to prove kuti ndiyo identity. Rather, we are here to learn it. Then we apply it. Mapaona. Saka that matrix 2 by 2 matrix 1 0 0 1 should be taken at face value. Sesha iri. Dozo ndukuzama kusimbisa panapa. So tika multiply this 2 by 2 matrix with 1 0 0 1. Kana kuri kuti ino behave as ordinary numbers too. So that we should get A, B, C, D. Dozo zvinoreva. Because panapa 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So tika replace 3e. Need this 2 by 2 matrix A, B, C, D. To multiply an identity matrix 1 0 1 0. It should be equal to this matrix A, B, C, D. So of course, atingozvitendi nekuti ndazvitaura, tinozvitesta. Saka kutesta kuno kuteta kuti we are multiplying A, B, C, D with 1, 0, 0, 1. We know, as we've learned, that it's going to be row by column. Ma-arrows aya inangu akandikoshera. So tiri panapa manje. This is going to be equal to what? Tikati the first row and multiplying the first column. Inenge iri A times 1 plus B times 0. The first row multiplying the second column. Inenge yava A times 0 plus B times 1. Tikati the second row multiplying the first column. It's C times 1 plus D times 0. Tovatati, the second row multiplying the second column, it's going to be C times 0 plus D times 1. Like that. So tada iso manje, this is going to be equal to theta kuti A times 1 plus B times 0, the A plus 0. C times 1 plus D times 0, the C plus 0. A times 0 plus B times 1, the 0 plus B, and C times 0 plus D times 1, the 0 plus D. So we're not adding 0 to anything is equal to that thing. Saka panapa it's going to be A upon B, panapa C upon D. Proved. Mashona. So tika multiply A, B, C, D. Need this identity matrix. Tinowana A, B, C, D. Tasproof panapa. Saka panapa takati dila ne post multiplication. Let us look at pre-multiplication. Kutakutanga na identity matrix. 1, 0, 1, 0. Multiplying A, B, C, D. Tudakuona kuti inotipa here A, B, C, D. Like that. Saka panapa what we are doing is, we know kuti it should be 1, 0, 1, 0, multiplying A, B, C, D. It should be row by column. Saka since ichidaro manje, this is equal to, take out the first row times the first column, it's 1 times A plus 0 times C. Then regan go pedzisa, it's 1 times B panapa plus 0 times D. Then up it's 0 times A plus 1 times C. Then up it's 0 times B plus 1 times D. Like that. Takada we simplify further. Pamsoro panapa we have A plus 0. Panapa we have 0 plus C. Then up we have B plus 0. Up we have 0 plus D. Kurewa apo tana A, apo tina C, apo tina B, apo tina D. Again, it's proved. Muruzona, we've proved it. Saka this statement is also correct. Saka says noitika kuma numbers. Kuti tikati 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Zvakafanana nekuti 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Ndo zvakare zvinoitika kuma matrices. Tika multiply a matrix with an identity matrix. Tinowana that matrix. Azvina basa kuti tatanga ne matrix yoyo tovatati times identity. Kana tatanga na identity matrix tovatati times that 2 by 2 matrix. It does not matter. So let us draw out our conclusion panapa. The conclusion panapa ndeye kuti, if we multiply A, B, C, D times identity matrix, this is the same as multiplying the identity matrix times A, B, C, D, which is always equal to A, B, C, D. That is the conclusion.